How often do you find yourself reaching for your deep fryer when you could be using an air fryer instead? Welcome to a culinary revolution, where traditional deep frying takes a back seat and air frying takes the wheel. This shift in cooking techniques is not just about keeping up with trends, it's about embracing a healthier, safer, and more convenient way of preparing meals. So, buckle up as we embark on a delicious journey exploring 20 advantages of air frying over deep frying. To start, let's discuss how air frying can contribute to healthier meals. The first advantage of air frying is that it leads to healthier meals. This is because air fryers use up to 75 to 80% less oil than deep fryers. This significant reduction in oil usage directly translates into fewer calories, making your meals healthier without compromising on the taste or texture. The second advantage ties right into the first one. It's the reduced fat content. Because air fryers use less oil, the food that comes out of it has a lower fat content. This is great news for anyone who's looking to maintain a balanced diet or even lose weight. Moving on to the third advantage, safety. It's no secret that handling large amounts of hot oil can be risky. With air fryers, this risk is minimized because there's no hot oil to worry about. This makes air frying a much safer cooking method compared to deep frying. The fourth advantage of air frying is the easier cleanup. We all know how messy deep frying can get with oil splatters everywhere. But with air fryers, this is not an issue. The minimal oil use means less mess, making the cleanup process a breeze. And finally, the fifth advantage, quicker cooking time. Air fryers often cook food faster than deep fryers, which can save you precious time in the kitchen. Time is a valuable resource, and if a cooking method can help you save it, then it's definitely worth considering. Already we can see how air frying can make your cooking experience safer, quicker, and healthier. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. There are many more advantages of air frying that we'll be discussing in the next scenes. So stay tuned for more exciting insights into the world of air frying. Moving on, we see how air frying can improve the overall cooking experience. Continuing with our list of advantages, let's delve into the sixth advantage of air frying: less odor. One of the drawbacks of deep frying is the lingering smell of oil and cooked food that permeates your kitchen and even your home. Air frying, on the other hand, doesn't leave behind such odors, keeping your kitchen smelling fresh. Advantage 7 is the versatility of air fryers. You're not just limited to frying. You can also grill, roast, and bake, making the air fryer a multi-purpose appliance and a valuable addition to your kitchen. Our eighth advantage is better flavor preservation. The process of air frying can actually enhance the flavor of your food. By using superheated air, it retains more of the food's natural taste and texture, giving you a meal that's as delicious as it is healthy. Next, we have the ninth advantage: no risk of oil contamination. With deep frying, there's a risk of contaminating your food with used or degraded oil, especially if you're reusing your cooking oil. But with air frying, since there's minimal oil use, this risk is significantly reduced. Finally, we come to the 10th advantage: energy efficiency. When you use a deep fryer, you're heating up a large amount of oil, which can consume a substantial amount of energy. Air fryers, however, typically consume less energy, making them a more eco-friendly and cost-effective option. So, there you have it. From versatility to energy efficiency, air frying offers significant benefits over deep frying. But we're not done yet. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the amazing advantages of air frying in our next segment. As we delve deeper into the benefits of air frying, let's look at how it can make your kitchen more comfortable and your food healthier. Advantage 11 is less kitchen heat. Unlike traditional deep frying, which can turn your kitchen into a sauna, air fryers emit significantly less heat. This keeps your cooking space cooler and more pleasant, especially in warmer climates. Next, we have portability. Advantage 12 highlights that most air fryers are compact and portable. This makes them perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or even for travel. Imagine being able to whip up your favorite air-fried recipes on your next camping trip. Moving on to advantage 13, which is consistent cooking. Air fryers provide more consistent heat distribution than deep fryers. This ensures your food is evenly cooked every single time, reducing the risk of biting into a perfectly golden nugget only to find it's still cold in the middle. For advantage 14, we're talking about healthier oil options. When you do use oil in an air fryer, you have the freedom to opt for healthier choices. Think olive oil, avocado oil, or even grapeseed oil. This gives you an extra edge in making your meals as nutritious as they can be. Last but not least, advantage 15 is about reducing acrylamide formation. Acrylamide is a potentially harmful chemical that forms in certain foods during high-heat cooking processes. Studies have shown that air frying can reduce the formation of this chemical compared to deep frying. This means you get to enjoy your favorite crispy treats with less worry about unwanted chemicals. With air frying, you not only get a more comfortable cooking environment, but also healthier, more consistently cooked food. Not to mention the ability to take your air fryer with you on the go. So why not give air frying a try and experience these benefits for yourself? Finally, let's look at how air frying can support your lifestyle and overall health. First off is advantage number 16. It's better for weight management. With less oil used in preparing your meals, you're consuming fewer calories and fats. This makes air frying a smart choice for those who are conscious of their weight and are aiming for a healthier lifestyle. Moving on to advantage number 17, air-fried food is less greasy. Without being submerged in oil, your meals come out of the fryer less oily and more comfortable to eat. Plus, you're less likely to experience that after-meal bloating or stomach discomfort that can come with eating overly greasy food. Next up, advantage number 18, space efficiency. Most air fryers are compact and take up less countertop space compared to traditional deep fryers. This makes them a great addition to your kitchen, especially if you're dealing with limited space. Now let's talk about advantage number 19. Air frying is perfect for a busy lifestyle. Because it often cooks food faster and requires less cleanup, it's a great time saver. So if you're always on the go, air frying provides a quick and easy way to prepare meals without compromising on taste or health. And lastly, advantage number 20. Air frying encourages healthier eating habits. The use of minimal oil and the ability to prepare a variety of dishes, from grilled veggies to baked goods, makes it easier to incorporate healthier food choices into your diet. So there you have it. Whether you're managing your weight or leading a busy lifestyle, air frying can support your goals. It's not just about frying food, it's about making conscious decisions towards healthier eating. With these 20 advantages in mind, it's clear to see why air frying has become a favorite in many kitchens. Let's recap the 20 advantages of air frying over deep frying we've discussed today. Air frying offers healthier meals by using significantly less oil, which also reduces fat content. This method is safer, without the need to handle large amounts of hot oil, and it makes cleanup easier. Air frying saves time with quicker cooking, and it doesn't leave a lingering smell in your kitchen. The versatility of air fryers means you can grill, roast, and bake in addition to frying. They enhance the flavor of food and reduce the risk of oil contamination. Air fryers are energy efficient and produce less kitchen heat, making them ideal for warmer climates. Their portability and compact size are perfect for small kitchens or travel, and they provide consistent heat distribution for evenly cooked food. When you do use oil, you have the choice to opt for healthier options. Air frying also reduces the formation of acrylamide, a potentially harmful chemical. This method is better for weight management due to lower calorie and fat content, and the food is less greasy. Air fryers take up less space on your countertop and are perfect for a busy lifestyle. Most importantly, air frying encourages healthier eating habits. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, the choice of cooking method can make a big difference in your health and lifestyle. Happy cooking!